Hey Curly Teas, today we are making an Ayurvedic shampoo with aloe vera, amla, and ashwagandha. Aloe vera is great for its ability to soothe irritation. With a natural pH of 4.5, it has a great pH for use in conditioning products. You can also find it in many forms, liquid, powder, and gel. Amla is great for strengthening hair over time. It's said to help thicken hair and helps prevent breakage for non-health related hair loss. Ashwagandha is said to help boost blood circulation of the scalp. It's often used to contribute to the overall health of the hair. The tea is red now because of the hibiscus. However, the final shampoo will not be red. Distilled water is preferable if you're making this for someone else. Aloe vera powder is water soluble, of course. Always add it to the water phase. It will dissolve completely without leaving any gritty feeling. Naturesilk is EcoCert approved. It's an alternative to propylene glycol. Now, unlike with Guar Cat, you don't actually have to adjust the pH if you're using Cassia. Look at how all the tiny air bubbles have worked their way out of the shampoo. It's the perfect viscosity for me, not too runny, not too thick, and easy to apply. That's it, guys. Enjoy the Ayurvedic AAA Rustic Shampoo. Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.